थैंक यू प्रिया मैडम। आप सभी को मेरा सुप्रभात। परम आदरणीय प्राचार्य महोदय श्री रमेश कुमार प्रजापति जी, उप प्राचार्य जी, मेरे स्नेहिल सहकर्मी बंधुओं, अभिभावक मित्रों एवं मेरे प्रिय छात्र छात्राओं, असली खेल भावना की कसौटी पर कसकर अपनी शान शौकत व मोजसा दिखाने वाले हॉकी के जादूगर कहे जाने वाले महान खिलाड़ी मेजर ध्यानचंद की जयंती के दिन राष्ट्रीय खेलकूद दिवस मनाने के इस पावन मौके पर देश भर के सभी खेल प्रेमियों के लिए मेरा हार्दिक अभिनंदन। आज हम सब यहाँ ऑनलाइन में राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस मना रहे हैं और इस अवसर पर खेलकूद के जरिए फिटनेस एवं वेलनेस, फिट केवीएन एसबीएसबी आदि विषय पर मैं चंद शब्द कहना चाहती हूँ। Hello everyone, I am here to present a speech on the topic Fitness and Wellness through Sports, Fit KVN SBSB. The very known two terms to us are the word health and fitness. Many times we tell or use these words whenever we say phrases like health is wealth and fitness is the key. What does the word health really mean? It implies the idea of being well. We say a person is healthy and fit when he or she can function physically as well as mentally well. Proper health and fitness do not depend on our own, but also on our physical environment and the quality of food intake. Health and fitness is the most important aspect of our life. Nothing is more important than health for any human being. When we are healthy and fit, we are able to enjoy our life well. We can talk to our near and dear ones. We can laugh, smile, travel, enjoy food, and sleep well. But when our health and fitness are not up to the mark, we are unable to do anything properly and stay behind. We can't enjoy eating, watching sports and movies. Our mood remains negative. We are unable to talk nicely and even sleep properly. Our health and fitness are more valued than our wealth. In fact, our elders were always been focused on the health and fitness part. They treasure it like wealth. To maintain good health and fitness at its best all the time, we need to take care of hygiene and sanitation around us. Dear fellow beings, we know health and fitness plays an important role in our overall well-being. So, we should try to maintain a good balance between our mind, body, and soul. As told by Dalai Lama, happiness is the highest form of health. Happiness will come only when we are healthy and fit. But today, we live in a world where we value things more than people, work more than family, food more than health, and status more than life. Sports do not build character, it reveals it. खेलने कूदना का लो संकल्प, स्वस्थ रहने का यही है एक विकल्प. Now friends, let's see what's the difference between fitness and wellness. Wellness is far broader than fitness. Wellness encapsulates our entire life, whereas fitness tends to focus on our physical health. It tends to focus on nutrition, strength, conditioning, flexibility, and body composition. Now, let me tell you, why is fitness and wellness so important? Fitness is very important for our good health. Besides feeling better mentally, exercising can help protect you from heart disease, stroke, obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure. And it can make you look younger, increase and maintain bone density, improve the quality of your life, and may keep you away from getting sick. खेलकूद का करो विचार, यह देता है स्वस्थ जीवन जीने का अधिकार. खेलकूद ही स्वास्थ्य का मूल, इनमें भाग लेकर बनाओ जीवन अनुकूल। खेल व्यक्ति को जीतने की प्रेरणा देता है। जैसे हमारे अर्चना मैडम ने अपने भाषण में ध्यानचंद के ऊपर बहुत अधिक प्रकाश डाला था और उनसे प्रेरणा हासिल करने की सलाह भी उन्होंने दी थी। खेलकूद स्वास्थ्यवर्धक होता है। ये शरीर के विभिन्न अंगों के उचित संचालन में मददगार होते हैं। खेलकूद शरीर और मन में ताजगी लाता है। इनसे मांसपेशियां सुगठित हो जाती है। मन की ऊब मिटाने और चित्त में प्रसन्नता लाने के लिए खेलों की जितनी भूमिका है उतनी शायद अन्य किसी चीज की नहीं। दोस्तों, हम सब जानते हैं खेलकूद शिक्षा का अनिवार्य अंग है। अच्छी शिक्षा का उद्देश्य विद्यार्थियों का शारीरिक, मानसिक, नैतिक विकास करना है। स्वस्थ जीवन में, स्वस्थ शरीर में ही प्रखर मस्तिष्क रहता है। यदि कोई व्यक्ति शरीर से दुर्बल हो तो उसका दिमाग तेज नहीं हो सकता। बीमार शरीर में मस्तिष्क कैसे स्वस्थ रह सकता है? शिक्षा में खेलकूद उतने ही आवश्यक है जितना पढ़ाई के लिए पुस्तकें। पुस्तकों से मन और आत्मा का विकास होता है, जबकि खेलकूद से शरीर स्वस्थ और सबल बनता है। मानव जीवन में अनेक प्रकार की परेशानियां और तनाव है। लोग विभिन्न प्रकार की चिंताओं से घिरे रहते हैं। खेलकूद हमें इन परेशानियों, तनावों और चिंताओं से मुक्त कर देती है। खेलकूद को जीवन का आवश्यक अंग मानने वाले जीवन में आने वाली सभी समस्याओं का सामना करने में जरूर ही काबिल होते हैं। खेलकूद से छात्रों में धैर्य, सहिष्णुता, ईमानदारी, निष्ठा जैसे गुणों का उभार होता है। वे चुस्त एवं फुर्तीले बनते हैं। खेलों में मिली हार और जीत से वे नए नए गुण एवं अनुभव प्राप्त करते हैं। वे हार के सबक लेते हैं और कमियों को दूर करते हैं। जीत उन्हें नए उत्साह और प्रेरणा से भर देती है। In order to assess the fitness levels and health profile of Kendriya Vidyalaya students, a new program, Fit KVN, has been introduced for the Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankatan Swasth Bachche Swasth Bharat program. The Fit KVN app has over 40 individual tests, including those for fundamental movement skills that are listed under locomotor skills, running, hopping, jumping, dodging, manipulative skills like catching and throwing, and body management skills like balance and stability. The physical fitness assessments are of two types: health components and skills-based fitness. स्वस्थ बच्चे स्वस्थ भारत कार्यक्रम केंद्रीय विद्यालय संगठन द्वारा तैयार की गई एक बहुत बड़ी योजना है। इसके अंतर्गत केंद्रीय विद्यालय के करीब 12 लाख, मैं कहती हूँ 12 लाख छात्रों के लिए फिजिकल हेल्थ और फिटनेस प्रोफाइल कार्ड तैयार किया जा रहा है। स्वस्थ बच्चे स्वस्थ भारत प्रोग्राम will provide a comprehensive and inclusive report card for children covering all age groups and children of different abilities. स्वस्थ बच्चे स्वस्थ भारत कार्यक्रम में ओलंपिक और पैरालंपिक के मूल्यों को आत्मसात करने का लक्ष्य भी रखा गया है। बच्चों के बीच बचपन को फिर से वापस लाने, शारीरिक गतिविधियों और मनोरंजनात्मक खेलों को शिक्षण पद्धति का अहम भाग बनाने, विभिन्न खेलों में उत्कृष्ट प्रदर्शन करने वाले छात्रों को प्रोत्साहित करने के साथ साथ आंकड़ों को एकत्र और विश्लेषण करने के लिए प्रौद्योगिकी का प्रयोग कार्यक्रम के उद्देश्यों में सम्मिलित है। ये सब हम जानते हैं। The importance of sports and fitness in one's life is invaluable. Playing sports inculcates team spirit, develops strategic and analytical thinking, leadership skills, goal setting, and risk taking. A fit and healthy individual leads to an equally healthy society and strong nation. Sports is an extremely important component for the overall development of our nation. India, in the last few years, has made steady progress in the field of sports. This tremendous potential needs to be showcased at a global platform. It's time we inspire young talent, give them top-notch infrastructure and training of the highest level. We need to inculcate a strong spirit of participation in sports that enables players to demonstrate their true potential. Only then India can realize its dream of becoming a sports superpower. The Khelo India program has been introduced to revive the sports culture in India at the grassroots level by building strong framework for all sports played in our country and establish India as a great sporting nation. What is Fit India movement? The Fit India movement is a movement to take the nation on a path of fitness and wellness. It provides a unique and exciting opportunity to work towards a healthier India. As a part of the movement, individuals and organizations can undertake various efforts for their own health and well-being as well as for the health and well-being of fellow Indians. It was launched by Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, in New Delhi on 29 August 2019. Now, the familiar term, Fit India Freedom Run. Running, the human body's most raw form of freedom. Fit India movement is conducting Fit India Freedom Run from 15th August to 2nd October 2020 to encourage fitness and help us all to get freedom from obesity, laziness, stress, anxiety, diseases, etc. Beautiful concept behind this run is that it can be run anywhere, anytime. You can run a route of your choice at a time that suits you. You can break up your runs. You can run your own race at your pace and track your kilometers manually. Get fitter, healthier, happier. Fit India tools for people who want to lead a healthy life and reach their fitness goals. Fit is the new mantra. Let me tell you, fit is the new mantra. Friends, let us focus on fitness and wellness and let us continue our effort to establish our motherland, our India as a great sporting nation. इन शब्दों के साथ मैं अपने वाणी को विराम देना चाहूंगी। कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराग नहीं हो सकता? कौन कहता है कि आसमान में सुराग नहीं हो सकता? एक पत्थर को तबीयत से उछालो यारो, एक पत्थर को तबीयत से उछालो यारो। आपका आभार, धन्यवाद, जय हिंद।
धन्यवाद शिवा जी, बहुत खूब, बहुत बढ़िया। जैसा कि हम सबको विदित है, स्वस्थ तन में ही स्वस्थ मन का विकास होता है। शिक्षा का उद्देश्य है ऑलराउंड डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द पर्सनालिटी, यानी व्यक्तित्व का सर्वांगीण विकास। इसके लिए केवी संगठन छात्रों के लिए विभिन्न गतिविधियों का आयोजन करते हैं। इसमें भाग लेकर छात्र जीवन की प्रतिकूल परिस्थितियों का आसानी से सामना करने में सक्षम हो जाते हैं। स्वामी विवेकानंद जी ने कहा था, बालक सर्वगुण संपन्न भगवान का स्वरूप है। आवश्यकता है आग से राख उड़ा देने की, अग्नि दमक उठेगी। आज खेल या एसपी के नाम पर एक छात्र जितना प्रसन्न, मस्त, आनंदित होता है, उतना अन्य किसी अवसर पर नहीं। जीवन की सबसे बड़ी उपलब्धि भी यही हो सकती है कि हम जीवन को खेल ही माने। दुनिया की सबसे बड़ी महामारी कोरोना वायरस का कहर देश भर में जारी है। इस समय हमें खुद स्वस्थ बने रहना है। इसके लिए संयम अनिवार्य है। संकल्प और संयम इस महामारी को कम करने में बहुत बड़ी भूमिका निभाने वाले हैं। अब है बारी अंग्रेजी भाषण की। इसके लिए पांचीन वाक्य आतिश प्रशांत को सादर आमंत्रित करती हूँ। आतिश।
Thank you, ma'am. Most respected chief guest for the occasion, Respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Sir, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to you all. Today I am here before you to speak a few words about National Sports Day. August 29 is celebrated as the National Sports Day in India. It is the birthday of the legend Major Dhyan Chand, one of the best sportsmen ever in the game of hockey. Hockey always has a special place among Indians. India have won 3 Olympic gold medals in field hockey in 1928, 1932 and 1936. That era was led by none other than Major Dhyan Chand, who scored 33 goals in 12 matches. Dhyan Chand was born in Allahabad and joined the Indian Army at the age of 16. There is also a story saying that his skills were so good that once his opponent went on to physically check his hockey stick, if there is a special glue which stuck the ball to his stick. He scored over 400 goals in his career from 1926 to 1948. After putting his stamp on international hockey and having served his country to reach its own heights of glory multiple times, Dhyan Chand passed away on 3rd December 1979. He remains a legendary figure in the Indian and the world hockey. The most noted memorial for him is the Major Dhyan Chand Award, the highest award for lifetime achievement in sports and games in India, and the National Sports Day celebrations on his birthday. The National Sports Awards include the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award, and the Dhyan Chand Award, which are distributed every year by the President of India at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on August 29. Sports is a very important activity for students. Sports can help us to develop multiple qualities like sense of togetherness, leadership skills, stamina, physical strength, planning and teamwork, the qualities which helps us to excel in life. National Sports Day is not only to salute Major Dhyan Chand, it also reminds us the importance of sports in our life. At this time of COVID-19 pandemic, we are having restrictions to have sports events in the ground. We should overcome this limit by yoga and other physical activities and exercises to keep ourselves fit and healthy. A healthy body leads to a healthy mind. Once again, wishing you all a happy National Sports Day. Let me conclude my words. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Atish Prashant. Your words speak how inspired and motivated you are by Major Dhyan Chand. And it also tells us that how important sports is in students' life in developing a multitasking attitude. Thank you once again, Atish, for that wonderful speech. In the existing pandemic situation, to safeguard the health of athletes and others involved, most major sporting events at international, national, regional levels have been cancelled or postponed both in educational institutions and also in the country. Even the events like Olympics, Paralympics, for the first time in the history of modern games have been postponed. We do understand that sports is the greatest poetry. Sports helps to lead a healthy life, but we also need to understand that it is a major contributor to economic and social development. Its role is well recognized by the government. To elaborate more on the topic, importance of sports and games in our life, may I call upon our respected Principal Sir, Shri Ramesh Kumar Prajapati. Sir, please.
First of all, I wish you very happy National Sports Day. Today's
Chief Guest Shri Dr. P. Joseph sir, my dear staff members, students, parents, and other stakeholders who join online to these programs. Good morning to one and all. Importance of the games and sports is already discussed previous speakers, and I think it is can be understood by a simple quote that is given by the legend Sri Vivekananda. Once upon a time he told in a student's hand, that means in one hand there should be a book, in another hand there should be football. That means sports is as important as academic activities. Your classroom teaching, your learning process in the classrooms, or learning related to the books is very much important, but same time your games and sports activities is also important. That means we can know, that means balance between the games and sports activity as well as teaching learning process. You must have heard the saying, all work no play makes Jack a dull boy. Everyone, I think, knowing about that itself giving a reference about the importance of games and sports. Now, how games and sports is affect our life? I will tell about something. First of all, we can relate it with our health. Now, what is the health? Normally, health is absence of illness or any disease. But actual meaning of health is well-being of physically, mentally, and spiritually. That means in all these three domains, if a person is well, then we say he is a healthy person. So dear students, health is directly related to the sports. So you can say like that, just in the physics, it is directly proportional. Games and sports improve the functioning of all body systems, just like a digestive system, excretory system, nervous system, respiratory system, endocrine system, circulatory system, and others. That means functioning of all these systems in a coordination manner, that will be happens due to games and sports activities. Your lungs will be strong, your kidney will be strong, your heart will be strong, your blood circular will be in the limit. And I think so many diseases related to these systems or our body will not be attack on your body. Health, games and sports increase overall physical stamina, remove the tiredness and lethargy, all you know very well, and avoid the numerous possible aging illnesses. I think you also aware about that. आपने देखा होगा कि अगर 50 की उम्र में 35 का दिखना है तो फिर आपको गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स सीखना होगा. यानी एक स्टूडेंट्स और एक पर्सन जो गेम्स एक्टिविटीज में इन्वॉल्व है और रेगुलर प्रैक्टिस और एक्सरसाइज करता है, उसका जो फिजिकल फिटनेस है, उसका अपीयरेंस है, वो आप जानते हैं. दैट इज द चार्मिंग स्किन, ग्लोइंग फेस, स्माइलिंग फेस. You can see it. And you can compare with the normal person who is not playing or not participating in the games and sports. You can also see the others, that is the wrinkles on the face. Even after 50s of the age, sportsmen not having the wrinkles on the face, that means on the skins. It is only due to participation of the games and sports. So you can understand. They give us the strength and courage. That means extra courage is developed in our body by participation of the games and sports. Games and sports keeps an individual mind healthy and fresh. That is a very important. In addition to the physical fitness, healthy mind and fresh mind is essential. If your brain is healthy, you can take the decision properly. You can face any abnormal situation. You can accept the challenges. So for this purpose, healthy mind and fresh mind is essential, and it is come by the participation in games and sports. By the games and sports, the negative energy is driven away and positive energy is intake in all these spaces. Wrong thinking, negative thinking is driven out from your body, and positive energy will intake, and that's will increase your stamina and working behaviors. And one more thing I want to share with you. These games and sports is also affects the personality development and character buildings. Sports teach a player that failure and success are written on the alternate steps of life. Very important things. And nobody wants the failure in life, but it is essential. We have to learn failure and success both. That means when a player play games, he is very much aware about that either he will win or lose the match. There is no doubt at all. That means by this feelings, a student can learn the importance of failure, and from learning the reason of these failures, he can become a great person or a better citizens. Sports and games teach them the art of sharing, dealing with the problem collectively, backing up and helping each other in abnormal situations. It also inculcates in them leadership, initiative, determination, and teamwork qualities. Sports and games also foster in us the virtues of obedience, discipline, patience, honesty, and team spirit. The qualities of self-denial, discipline, and companionship can be learned from the games as one learns to put others before them. Self-denial, you can see, that is also important and can be learned by the games and sports. In the nutshell, they can learn more about life and values through the games and sports than the textbooks. And one more important thing related to the games and sports, that is career opportunities. Normally students are thinking he will become an engineer or he will become a doctor, but a very few number of students who are thinking about career in games and sports. You can know very well the lifestyles of the today's successful and well-known players. You can see MS Dhoni, Sachin Tendulkar, Sania Mirza, Milkha Singh, Abhinav Bindra, Sania Nehwal, Virat Kohli, and so on. All these well-known players are very happy in their life and enjoy it. That means career in sports is also a well-known and giving us the fame and name in the society. So all it is due to their focus, hard work, dedications, and perseverance made them what they are today. So my dear students, you can inspire with these well-known players and try to become and find the opportunity or jobs in games and sports. And one more importance of the games and sports, that is related to the productivity of the persons. As you know, a fit person, a healthy person, their productivity is more as compared to the normal persons. We can compare the working hours of the persons. We can compare the handling the abnormal situation, taking the tough decisions. That is somehow it is related to the games and sports. So all these things we can learn from the games and sports. That means you can work better. You can work from till morning to evening. You will not feel so tiredness, and you always be ready to come forward and accept the challenges and face the challenges. So on this occasions, my dear students, I want to convey the message that this is not a additional activities. This is a parts of our curriculum, and it is as important as our exams. So everyone has to participate in the games and sports as per their interest. And I also request all the teachers and parents to encourage their children, for both boys and girls, or especially girls, to actively participate in sports. Their energy should be channelized in the right direction right from the early years. So once again, I wish you very happy National Sports Day to you. And in this COVID situation, as already told, you have to utilize your time and channelize your energy in a particular direction for fruitful manner, for studying as well as for playing. Now you cannot come out from the homes. You can play inside the home, surrounding the homes, as it is possible. KVS is trying by implementing the various programs to involve each and every one of the students. You can see in the last year we had the SBSB programs, and in that program each and everyone, even that is the disabled children's we assessed, and he also participated in the various games and sports activities. Every year we are celebrating National Sports Day, distributing the prizes and also overall trophy. So KVS is the organization which giving all such type of opportunities for the all-round development of the students. So we have to be proud of being a part of this organization and take the benefits of all these facilities. Please don't think and don't hesitate to come forward. Normally students are reluctant in this regard, but I hope that you will understand, and whenever you or wherever you get the chance to participate, please be ready and come forward and show your talents. Dear students, I hope that you will be safe at home. You are trying various exercise, meditations at homes. Already we given one assignment for Fit India Run, Fit India Freedom Run. Okay, I think you are also following the instructions of the staff and doing accordingly. Dear students, we have to inspire with our hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand and follow their dedications and devotions to the games and sports. Thank you very much. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
धन्यवाद सर। आपका आशीर्वाद ही हमारा आलम्बन है एवं आपके द्वारा दिग्दर्शित पथ का हम निरंतर अनुगमन करने का संकल्प करते हैं। यह एम्प्टी माइंड से डबल्स वर्कशॉप यानी खाली दिमाग शैतान के समान है। सर के कथन के अनुसार अभिभावकों से मेरा निवेदन है कि आप अपने बच्चों को खेलकूद गतिविधियों में भाग लेने हेतु अवश्य प्रेरित करें। विश्व बंधुत्व एवं भाईचारे की श्रेष्ठ भावना को सुदृढ़ करने के लिए केवी संगठन खेलकूद गतिविधियों का नियमित रूप से आयोजन करते हैं। राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस समारोह के सिलसिले में विभिन्न प्रतियोगिताएं छात्रों के लिए आयोजित की गई। एक अलग अनुभव बच्चों के लिए निश्चय ही स्वयं को प्रस्तुत करने का अद्भुत अवसर। खेल खेल में जीवन की बहुत सी गतिविधियां जानने का अवसर।